All right, here we go. This is our salt hoe. Of course, the beat down redheaded stepchild that never gets anything because it's in salt all the time. Well, I designed this bucket. Another gentleman here welded it together, and I get the benefit of nailing it on. So, oh, and yet another guy cut the old bucket off. So, yeah, we're just gonna prep it up and nail it on and make her work. So let's do that. All right, so I went ahead and got her all nailed on and went ahead and painted her. As you can see, didn't quite fit proper. I had to put a couple little filler pieces in, but yeah, I think it'll work. It'll definitely scoop salt. It's ugly, but oh well. Freaking yay.